Okay, this is what a laser looks like in a snowstorm. Holy fucking shit. Man, it is honest to God snowing sideways. Oh, god damn. Woo. Damn, baby. Okay, let's see if we can see if we're gonna alert any fucking planes flying by. Oh, Jesus, fuck! It's cold out here. Yeah, and I don't know what it looks like on this phone, but it can't look anything like what it looks like in real goddamn life. Son of a fucking bitch. Woo. Trying not to shine it on my neighbor's house. Bad enough I'm shining it beside his house. All right then. Whoo. Bye, nigga.